And good evening, afternoon, or morning, depending where you are right now. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I have a challenge lock here, and believe me, I've been working on it since I woke up at about 9 o'clock, up until a couple hours ago, that I've gotten it open a couple of times. This is from what I get is Locked by JP. It's kind of hard to read, but I got it on this side is room number 250. I don't know what he's doing in there, but I'm going to join him. JR. So this is JR's lock. This is his pinning. And I'm telling you right now, I think this is the first Abus 300 that I've opened. So it's very, very tricky. If I can do it again like I did it just a minute ago, I'll be super happy. But this is a big challenge for me. Anyway, going to another Jason Carlson's great pick. I'm enjoying them. I'm having good luck with them. So good luck and all that kind of stuff, as they say, huh? I guess they're gonna try this way, go in counterclockwise. So I'm gonna try it. So I've had it best that way twice. So nothing on one, a quick out of two. Come on, baby. A small quick out of three. Okay, I got a quick out of four. Moving on. That quick out of five. Back to the beginning. Nice quick out of one. Two. Got some counter moving on two. Nothing on one. Nothing on two. Nothing on three. Quick out of four. Quick out of five. Another quick out of five. Back at the beginning. Come on. I feel you. Alright, quick out of one. Nice quick out of two. And quick out of three. Come on, I feel it. Got counter rotation in four. Come on. I don't want to break my pick. I like this pick. Okay, my click out of four and some movement on the core. That's five. I got to click out of it. Just want to set my tension wrench again. Kind of loose, but what can I say? Shoulder hurts. All right, back to the beginning. Click out of one. Nice quick out of two. Quick out of three with a nice movement on three. That was good. 4, click, 5, click, back to beginning. Come on, just like before. Nice click out of 1, 2, click out of 3, very nice, a little movement on 3. I got a nice false set going. I can't see my camera, but I hope it's in focus. All right, that was 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out of 4. Click out of 5. Good false set going. Thankful so far. Click out of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right beginning. One. Nice click out of 2, a little movement. Man, this lock was tough. Alright, that's 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. I think I overset something. Back to 1. Nice click out of 1. Good, good. 2. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Come on. Got the on 3, 4, 5. I know I always said something. Something dropped, okay. There we go. Counter rotation on 1. I got a great false set going. I know I'm right there. And I'm open. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This was a great. I think this is my first. ABIS 300 is what it says in there. Where's my bionic eye? Is a GG 300. I think that's what it says. I'll clarify that in a minute. Let me get it out of the vise. Okay, get my key. Let me get a shim. I don't need these anymore. I'm gonna put this on the floor for a second. Might put this on there. Pinning tray. That's my shim. Oh God, that was cool. That was really cool. God, I'm really proud of myself on this one. Hours. I've been on this hours, guys. Hours. There's a clip. I really have. I've really been picking on this for hours. I took a break for it here and there, you know, to have a drink. Did I say that? Yeah, I did. To have a drink, and I came back to it. Make sure there's got to be no gutting disasters on this one. There we go. I don't know why I didn't have to push that pin in, but usually you have to push the pin in there to get a release. So double checking so you guys can see here the video. Okay. Sorry, let me try this left-handed. Great, I'll show you all these pins at the end because this is not my normal style here. I'm really having problems with my nice, very nice pin and pin on the number 3. Yeah, I'm having some bad problems in my arm right now, so we're going for 4. Wow, this is just as bad as going to the bathroom being a right-hander. Oh, okay, and the last one. Excellent, excellent. Let me get my little proby-doby here. Let me look. I'll put it in the camera in a minute. Number 1 is clean. Number 2 is undercut. Wait. Yeah, number 2, undercut. 3 is undercut. 4 is undercut. 5 is undercut. And 6 is undercut. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the way it is, exactly the way I said it was. Alright, let me put this down. That's the quarrel. Let me see what we got in the Bible here. I need to... Wow, I can't believe I did it. Okay. There we go. Number 1. Beautiful spool. Beautiful. Steel spring. Damn it. 2 is another spool. I thought I felt there should be a couple of spools. The first one is a spool with a serration in the middle, so that was a pretty tough one. But I'll show you this in the end. Another steel spring. Number 2. And I actually did it. Number 3. Very nice. Type like a spool. It almost looks like I'll think of it in a minute. Give me a second, guys. I can't think of it, but I'll get to it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. All right. Give me 1 second. 1 minute. If I don't find this, I'm going to be... Okay. Thank God for clean floors. Wait a minute. There we go. Thank God. I would have not been able to explain myself. That was with a steel spring. That was a pin and pin. This is a beautiful, beautiful lock. I'm going to send it on to someone else. I hope they have as good as luck as I did. Gonna take you a while to learn this lock. Alright. there's at the fifth one there, fourth one. Another steel spring. And we got the last one here, which looks like another absolutely beautiful spool and a steel spring. Need my probe, and you'll see what's going on here. Nothing in 1, 2, wait a minute. Nothing in 2. Nothing in 3, 4, 5, or 6. I guess they could have done something to the core, being it open like that, but it's stock core. Let me show you what I got here. Okay, on the bottom we got a beautiful, what do you call it? It's kind of like a short, stubby serration in that. It's like a torpedo. I know I got the number 2 upside down. It's got a nice serration on it. I got to correct this, guys. Let me just do this real quick. Number 3. Okay, sorry about that. Number 3 is a beautiful, you wouldn't be able to tell unless you took it apart there, is a pin and pin. Very beautiful. At the fourth one is a stock. Well, nope, not even stock. Upside down again. Give me a second. I'm too excited that I really even picked this. Like, it's got serrations in it. It's very beautiful. Nothing stock about it. 5 is a beautiful double serration. And let me just fix 6 here. 6 has got a beautiful serrations on the top. Absolutely no stock pins on the bottom. I never seen more beautiful pins than what we got right here. On the top, we got a triple serration spool. We got one long ass spool there. What do you call that pin there in 3? An ASA pin. ASA. That's what I was trying to think of. Is an ASA pin. Number 4 is a pin and pin. Beautiful pin and pin. Let me move 5 down for one second. Okay, number 5 is an ASA pin too, and number 6 is a spool with a sharp serration on the top. And all I can say is, yeehaw! I picked an ASA 300. Thank you guys. I mean, you know what? I'm really excited right now. I can't wait to get a full arm restored or whatever, and I can really do better. But I totally took about 6 hours on this pin to open it up. I never thought that I could open this. So, I mean, that's all I have. Please let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. And I'm really, really happy right now. Really. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please, I keep forgetting to say it. Please like. Please subscribe. It'll help me out. All right, bye. I'm gone. Thank you very much.